everyone, I'm Allie and welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to have you joining me today for a video that's a little bit different in that I am going outside for one of the first times I think that I've ever filmed. And as you can see, I'm lathering on the sunscreen, and that is because I come in two shades. I come in the ghostly white that you see before you, and I come in lobster red, and I do everything I can to prevent said lobster red coloring. So I am lathering on the sunscreen, getting myself ready to go out, and of course that has to sit for 15-20 minutes, so I do find ways to occupy my time by getting a little basket ready with cleaning supplies and water, even though I'm only going to be 20 feet outside the front door. And then, of course, throwing in a load of laundry, because what kind of multitasker would I be if I didn't have a load of laundry going as well? Because look at all the towels I yet again have piled up in the laundry room. So as that sunscreen soaks in, I'm folding laundry and getting some towels going. And then I'm going to be heading outside to clean my car. And I hope you really enjoy this video. There it is, the Mom-mobile. Sunscreen everywhere. Let's get some befores of what the car looked like before I went to town getting it all cleaned. So this is where I throw everything while I'm driving, and even things that I don't want in there. Like a lot of stuff that's in the car right now on the floor is not trash. It's just not in the correct place. It got left behind and is sitting there. Now, of course, a lot of things are also trash. So there's a lot to get taken out of the car. So I just want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is, we've probably picked it up a few times since winter, but this is pretty much all winter and spring stuff that has just kind of piled in. And for sure, I have not vacuumed since probably last fall. So this is all winter. So there's salt, there's sand, there's dirt, really, really caked on. And I guess on a daily basis, I didn't really realize how dirty my floor mats were. Of course, on the passenger side, I can't even see the floor mats. So why would I know? But it was definitely a long overdue task, and it needed to be done. So this is how the car looked like when I started, and now let's go to work. All right, I've gotten a whole bag of garbage to go in the garbage. So it's gonna go in the garbage. A few other things to get, then I'm gonna start vacuuming and cleaning. This is looking good. To bring it back to my task at hand, I got rid of all the trash. Even things, there was a few things in the car that have, like, they weren't necessarily trash, but I hadn't been doing anything about getting it fixed or anything. So I threw it. I just tossed it. Because it was just taking up space, and I'm done letting things take up space in my brain. So I tossed a lot of things, and the next step became vacuuming. And this is so oddly satisfying to just watch all that sand and debris get sucked up is just super nice. And you can already see a huge difference just getting out the trash. And I had a bag of just junk, so stuff that shouldn't be in the car, it needs to be somewhere else. It makes such a huge difference. And then running that vacuum over the carpets, if that was all that I had gotten done, I would have been very happy, but I didn't stop there. I grabbed some upholstery cleaner and I went to town on all these stains, especially in the back seat and my seat. Turns out my son follows right in my footsteps in that we spill things. So I was cleaning up some ice cream spills in the back and probably some ice cream spills in the front too, and just getting everything as clean as I could. Just using microfiber towels, again, some Resolve upholstery cleaner. The car smelled so good after this. I really liked it. You will see sunscreen like literally on every door of this car. It really sticks on those doors. It just does not come off very well. So then I came to getting the actual mats and my son's car seat cleaned. And I was so happy with the results of just vacuuming and, again, just some upholstery cleaner on the car seat just to get some stains out. It did wonders. And I think with the neatest part of doing this car clean out, because I'll be honest, I did it for me, being in the position that I am working so hard to get kind of all the areas of our house kind of tidied and pulled together. Whenever I got in the car, it just didn't feel as comfortable. So I did this for me, but the real reward was the next day. So after I finished doing all of this, we didn't go anywhere. The car, just sat there. But the next day we decided to go get the exterior washed at a car wash. And my son came with me and he got in the car and he didn't know why I was outside cleaning. He didn't come out and see it or anything, but he got in the car and he goes, "Wow, the car is so clean. I love it." And then he looked at his car seat and he goes, "Oh, you cleaned my car seat. Thank you." And I was just like, oh my gosh. So it's not just for me. He really is noticing these things and he's really loving it too. And so happy that he was so happy to get to have a car seat that didn't have, ice cream spills on it and things like that. He was as happy as I was. So it's my my journey of getting everything all, tidy and clean. And I have to be honest, I feel like we live in a very tidy house. It gets messy. It gets dirty. I think any family's house does. But I think it's rubbing off on him, and that he is loving having things in order as much as I am. So it made me happy when he was so happy to have the car clean. Now I'm just trying to get the sunscreen off. I found these car wipes. I don't even know the brand, but it's a car wipe I bet you'd recognize. It's more ice cream and stuff on his door. But I found them in the garage. They have to be a couple years old, so I had to use a lot of them because they were kind of drying out. But I think they did the job for what I needed it to do. And then I used some glass cleaner to do all the windows. And I tell you, the car smelled so good. This glass cleaner smells like citrus. And then with the Resolve for the spot cleaning on the seats and the carpet, the car smelled so good. It was so nice. Now, I vacuumed these car mats, which was so gratifying. But for whatever reason, I don't know if I dropped it or if I just thought, I'll just bang it out on the ground once. So much sand came out of it. And this is the one from the driver's side. I did bang the other ones and they weren't as bad. This one was so filled with sand that it just kept coming out. And I had big spots on my driveway from, my neighbors probably thought I was, having a fit or something, just banging that car mat on the ground. But so much sand came out by doing that. So I think I need to vacuum more often. So of course, now it is time for all the before and after. So here is the trunk. If you remember, it was just kind of filled with a bunch of stuff in the back. Technically, it was all my parents' stuff. It was things I needed to bring to their house. And then the back seat, my son's car seat was still drying, but the floor looks immaculate. I was so happy with how this turned out. The front passenger side, there is no junk in there. Any spot has been removed. The console, all the dirt and dust, and again, all the junk is gone. All the dust on the dashboard. Honestly, it was so nice driving around in this car right when it was all cleaned. And I have to say, it has been over a month since I did this clean out, and my car is still clean. Now I know I have to be vacuum again, but it is still clean, you guys. It is so rewarding, and I am so happy that it is done. With that being said, thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to join me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hit that subscribe button and join me next week for another video. Take care.